This lady loves cooking. She loves cooking. There we go, dancing in the kitchen. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. Here I'm gonna show you how I make the zucchini meal. It's all zucchini vegetables. This year I'm just gonna eat more veggies because boy, I gained that weight through COVID. So let's get going. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Press that subscribe button, like and share. Hit the notification bell and share with your friends and your families. Here I am adding the garlic and shallots. I am putting them on the side and I'm pushing everything to the side as the zucchini cooks. I keep adding the new one. I don't want to use two pans here, so I am using one pan, and it's good to incorporate the two together. Just keep cooking. When it's brown, everything is cooked a bit, I am going to be adding balsamic vinegar. Just makes it so delicious. Yep, some zucchini meal here. Good stuff.